Hello everybody, today I want to show you how you can change your name, your nickname in Pokemon Go. Okay, you have two options. The first is touch in your Pokeball. Okay, now in option settings. Okay, now in your account. Okay, and now you can see in the top now you can see at the top in your name. Okay, in front you must see a pencil, a pen. Okay, if you like me you can see anything. Okay, you have the other option, but I don't know, maybe you don't like that option. Okay, is go back. Now in the top corner right, can you see help button? Okay, touch here, slide down. Now you can see in the down one button, talk with us. Okay, in English, talk with us. In this button you can talk with a support. Now maybe they can help us with that problem. Okay, the Pokemon Go only let us change twice names. Okay, forever. But if you talk with them and explain your situation, maybe they can help us with change a third twice a third. Maybe they let us change the name for the third time. Okay, and this is all for this video. Sorry for my English, not is the best, but I want to try to speak English. Okay, now you can see I try to learn speak English while made these videos. Is really hard. Sorry for all. Good luck with that problem. Okay, see you later.